Today, we will create a new style AI video using a completely new method. How can we make AI videos like a film? You can see that many people are making AI videos, some even creating AI film style videos, and earning thousands of dollars. In today's video, I'm sharing a complete course: how to download audio for free, how to download video for free, how to create images for free, and most importantly, how to make AI videos for free. I've explained all of this in a very easy and simple way. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like the video. I'll be back with more new content next time. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and write this. Make a story for me in which there is a giant crocodile and some people. The crocodile comes out into the city and starts moving through it. Then the army arrives and shoots at it. The story should feel realistic, and the characters should be well developed and clearly visible. In this, the crocodile is very big and clearly visible. Add the crocodile in every scene. In this way, ChatGPT will also create the scenes for you and also give the story. When the scenes come, it depends on you. Do you want more or fewer scenes, and how long do you want the story to be? You just need to tell ChatGPT. For example, if you want 20 scenes, then just write it and ChatGPT will make them for you. Now please give me 7 image prompts and they should come ready with their prompts. And now, to make their images, use Pikmon. It is a free website where you can create a lot of images. And now, when you go there, select the size. I keep the YouTube size, which is 16:9. I copy prompts from ChatGPT and paste them here, and the image is automatically generated. In the same way, I'll copy another prompt and paste it, and the next image will start generating. Step by step, I keep pasting prompts like this, and that's how the entire video is completed. Every part of this video is important. Now, why do I use Pikmon to make this image? Pikmon is a great image generator because it creates highly realistic and cinematic visuals with detailed lighting and textures. It's ideal for storytelling, concept art, and animation. With Pikmon, you can generate stunning, high-quality images that bring your ideas to life quickly. It's especially useful for dynamic scenes like action, sci-fi, or natural environments because all the images have now been created. You can see how amazing they look. I'll go ahead and download them. Now let's create audio for free. We'll use Speechma to generate the voice. Just paste your prompt here, select the voice you want, then paste the code it gives you, and click on Generate Audio. Your audio will be ready. As you can see, it's been created successfully.
People bustled.
Now, for the second free AI voice generator tool. It's called TTS OpenAI. Open this tool and hear the voice named Tom is the best. It sounds really natural and professional. I'll paste my prompt here, click on Create Speech, and your audio will start generating. Once done, click on the Create History option and you'll be able to see and listen to your generated audio right there.
Streets, but near the riverbank, old fisherman Kareem.
Now let's talk about how to generate the final video. This step is very important. To generate AI videos for free, I use 3 websites. Let me show you how you can use them step by step. The first website is ai.artlist.io. Search for it on Google and open the site. Next, log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the AI video option. Here, you'll upload an image. And the best part is, the website will automatically generate a prompt for that image. You don't even need to type anything. After that, simply click on Animate for free, and your video will begin generating. Now, when you try to download the video, it may ask you to subscribe, but don't worry. I'll also show you how to download it completely free without a subscription. The next website I'll use to generate the video is called Digen.ai. This site gives you 300 free credits daily, which is enough to make up to 10 videos per day. If you use your mind smartly, you can log in with different Gmail accounts and create as many videos as you want. Now, I click on Create, upload my image, and write my prompt. The crocodile has fallen onto the bus and is opening its mouth while helicopters are flying around. Then I click on Generate, and the video starts rendering. As you can see, it's being created. Now let's talk about how to remove the watermark. I'll show you that too. Next, I upload another image, write the prompt. The crocodile is moving and the child is watching it in shock. Again, I click Generate, and the second video begins processing. Now for the third website, which is called Pixver.ai. This site gives you 60 free credits per day on one Gmail account. That means you can create up to 3 videos daily. So now I upload an image and enter the prompt. The crocodile is being hit by missile tanks and shaking violently. Then I click Create, and the video starts generating. Next, I upload another image and enter this prompt. The crocodile has caught fire and is shaking, creating a dramatic natural moment. Once again, I click Create, and the video begins rendering. This way, I create multiple videos, and now all the videos are ready. Let's talk about how to download videos from artlist.io. Just click on the video, then select Save Video As, and the video will start downloading. You can follow the same steps to download all your videos, one by one, from each website. Now to use all of these tools for free, we'll use a site called Smail Pro. Open Smail Pro, and here you can generate unlimited Gmail accounts. Just click on Create, then hit Generate, and a ready-made Gmail account will appear automatically. As you can see, the auto-generated Gmail is right here. By using these Gmail accounts, you can create unlimited AI videos across all the platforms. Final video. To edit the final video, I'm using CapCut. I'll edit the video, arrange all the clips, and to remove watermarks, I'll slightly increase the video size, scale it up. After setting all the videos in place, your final video will be ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back next time with another amazing video.